Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside we can search for the light mode. Activate the light mode right here, and then when we go back to our home screen, you will see that all of the icons as well as the text becomes much bigger. Then the next thing we can do is open the settings again. Here in the home page we need to scroll down and find the accessibility. I think it should be in the additional settings, accessibility, then there's the general vision, hearing and physical. You can experiment with those settings. I'm gonna cover the vision one. Here we can move to display size and switch it between small, very small or large. I'm gonna go with the largest option available. Then there's a magnification that you can activate. It should add the accessibility button floating around your screen. You can click on it. That way you'll be able to zoom into anything on your screen. If you want to zoom out, click on that same button again. Then we have color correction and color inversion. If you need one or both of those settings, you can enable them. Then there's remove animations. I recommend to actually enable it. It reduces motion sickness when using this device. There's high contrast text, which adds a black outline to all of the text on your phone, as you can see. And switch to speaker automatically. Device will switch to speaker when you move it away from your ear during calls. This feature works only when TalkBack is on. And that's all of the things I would recommend to change. Of course, as I've mentioned, you can experiment here even more. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.